Hey, what's up? My name's Nate here, Blackbridge Motors, South Norwalk. Here to talk a little bit about beautiful 66 Mustang convertible. So when we started this about a year and a half to 2 years ago, when we first got the car, we took the original drivetrain out of it. And then after that, we cut up all the original suspension components so that it was pretty much just a bare frame and a bare shell. After that, we had to test fit all of the modern components that went onto it. So this car has a brand new Coyote 5.0 engine in it. The really unique thing about it, which a lot of Mustangs don't have, is, as you can see right there, that's a Wilwood Hydro Boost brake system on it. That was very difficult to fit it in there with the motor. So as you can see, we had to get custom hinges and struts for the hood. Fabricated just about everything on the vehicle. And it's been probably one of the longest builds that we have done between the fabrication and the electronics. It also has 2 switch pros, which is pretty much a circuit panel, and that runs all the accessories and the majority of the vehicle, all the lighting, stuff like that. As you can see, the interior's not in yet either, and as soon as we get time, we're going to start working on it again, and we can do another follow-up video and make sure that you guys can see the car running and all the other stuff and the underneath of the vehicle as well, because that is beautiful, especially with the custom exhaust on it.